Yo guys, I'm Fasty-Rides. Welcome along today. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, it's nice to have you along for the ride. So today, we've got this. It is the headlight protector from Powerbronze, and we're going to unbox it. Well, I've already sort of unboxed it, and then we're going to install it on here. Right, well, we'll just throw that out of the way. You've got bubble wrap here, obviously with tape, and I think we can just pull it out of the ends, to be honest. Yep, there we go. And that's the headlight protectors there. And I've gone for the dark ones. I don't know exactly how they fitted on. I'm assuming that they stick on with like little sticky pads. But what we'll do is we'll open this up and then we'll have a look inside. Right, so we'll just get these out of here. Get rid of the packaging that we don't need. Alright, so it has some little 3M blocks there that I'm sure are going to be double-sided, and then they're going to stick on there. But first of all, we're going to have to give this a really good wipe over. So for this, I'm using isopropyl. I can't even say it. Alcohol, basically. This is going to get rid of any soap or any finishes or anything like that off there. So now what I'll do is I'll get a few of these out. See if it tells you to use so many or anything like that. Right, so what it's telling you to do, it's saying clean the headlight thoroughly, and then we've got to turn the motorcycle headlights on to high beam to warm up the lenses. It doesn't say how long for. I'm assuming for 5 or 10 minutes. Self-adhesive dual lock pads are supplied with the headlight covers. Pair the dual locks together and remove the backing film off one side and stick it evenly around the inner side of the headlight covers. Remove the remaining backing film, turn the headlight off, position the headlight covers and push firmly into place. Leave the adhesive to cure for a few minutes. Pretty simple. Right, we'll have to get the headlights on, let it warm up. Right, and so now we'll just leave them. I know they're a bit bright, but we'll just leave it to warm up for 10 minutes while I sort these out. So basically what you get is 2 little bits like that. Well, more than 2, but like 8, 16 or something. 2 little bits, and they've got like looks like Velcro on both sides. Now you've just got to press them together like that. And then that's one pad. So it's obviously going to stick off the headlight by however thickness these are. Which is probably about 4mm, maybe more. Right, so there's 4 of them for each side of the light. It's always good to have a dry fit as well to make sure that they do fit on. They look like a perfect fit. So then round the inside now, we'll put 4 of these. Yeah, you can still see. So that's how I've put them on, like that. But I'm just going to give a wipe behind here first, just to make sure we've got rid of all the dust and everything. And then what I'm going to do is tear the backings off these. So that's all the backing off, ready to go on now. So now I want to make sure that I'm putting it on correctly. So as you can see, there's one side on. I just need to give it a wipe over after, but now it's the other side. You just do the same, exactly the same again. You just put them on the outside bit, the inside, 4 places, and then stick it straight on. So again, I've just done the same pattern around the edge. And again, you've just got to take this plastic off, which is a little bit fiddly, especially if you've got no nails. Then simply press it into place. And then we'll just give it a quick spray with this stuff and a wipe over, just to make sure all the grease and everything's off. Not that there should be any on there. There we go. She don't look too bad, does she? In dark now. Right, so if you did like that video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.